What's up guys, Craig here, Fergie, JKU. It is raining outside, so it makes it a perfect time to work inside the Jeep, in the garage on the Jeep. Today what I'm going to do is I got this gas canister plate. It's a guard. It's from SkidRow Offroad. Guys, if you haven't heard of these guys, you have to check them out. I've already done engine, the oil plate, I got the transmission coming, and I'm just real excited. I love this company. They're so easy to work with. Directions, there's a PDF on your order, or you can click and hopefully find a video. Hopefully you find this video, and that's how you got there. So. Let's check it out, see what we got. This should be pretty easy. Couple of brackets, hardware, insulation, and the actual skid plate. So this is beefy. So this is going to protect you. It's going to protect your gas tank, which is pretty bad spot. So if you're off-roading, it's very easy to get hit, and with this, be protected. So that's the front mount. Now I got to remove the back. So 7/16 washer, lock washer, and then a hex nut on top. So I'm just going to do these loose for now, because I want to make sure this stays away from the drive shaft. And I'll tighten this one up a little bit more since I'm here. All I gotta do is tighten them down, and I am done. There you go, guys. The gas container guard, so it goes right over the gas container, and it's pretty simple once you figure out the front back bracket versus the rear. So there you go. That's it, guys. Use Fergie 10 as a discount for SkidRow Offroad. It's the only skid plates that I'll put on my Jeeps. I love them. Great company. Like, subscribe, all that great stuff. Thanks guys, appreciate it.